Did you know it was actually a Hollywood movie which led to the making of the first ever Odia film? The year is 1929. Kolkata's Madan Theatres is exhibiting India's first talkie at the Elphinstone Picture Palace. A young man, Shirish Chandra Ghosh from Puri's Jagannath Club, is in attendance. As he walks out of the theatre, he finds himself in a trance because the talking images have opened up a whole new world for him. A single thought is starting to take root within him, that of making the first ever talkie in his mother tongue, Odia. Back home, he puts down this proposal to his fellow clubmates, but he does not find any takers. But he does manage to capture the curiosity of one. Cut to 1931. India's first ever talkie feature, Alam Ara, is released. It sets off the conception of films in other regional languages, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali. Abandoned a couple of years ago, the Odia film project now assumes greater urgency. But it still appears to be a pipe dream. If only there were someone who would be brave enough to plug this vision into reality. One man raises his hand. 2 years ago, this same person was the only one in Jagannath Club who had sensed the merit in his friend's proposal. This man was Mohan Sundar Dev Goswami. As a musician and a poet, Dev Goswami enjoyed a formidable reputation. And as a guru of traditional rasa, he had students all over Odisha, Bengal and Assam. To realize his vision, he approached one of his students in Calcutta, Priyanath Ganguly, owner of Kali Films, who was more than happy to come on board. Keeping in mind the prevalent trend of the time, it was decided that the subject matter of the film would be mythological. And thus, Sita Vivaha, adapted from the play of the same name by Kama Pada Mishra, was born. We're talking about a time where the taboo surrounding performing arts was so immense that men who dared to take it up were more or less treated as outcasts. As for women, they were altogether forbidden from pursuing it. The ensuing search is long drawn and painstaking, but ultimately Sita Vivaha is able to find its Ram, Sita, Lakshman as well as the rest of the ensemble. Dev Goswami himself is cast for the role of Vishwamitra. To know what happened next, check out part 2.